Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to solve guided access not working in iPhone issue, so let's start the video. First open settings in your iPhone. Scroll down here and then open accessibility. Scroll down again and tap on this guided access option and turn it off. Now leave the Settings app and restart your iPhone. Now open Settings again. Go to Accessibility, scroll down and open Guided Access again. Turn on Guided Access. Then tap on Passcode Settings and set a passcode for guided access. After setting the password, your guided access issue will definitely be solved and it will start working in your phone. So by following these steps, you can solve guided access problem in your iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.